Hi everything! Good morning everyone. Hello mga ka-ventures. We're all under the enhanced community quarantine, so it's a little boring na. So for today's video, we're gonna unbox the helmet that I'm using, the one that I use for motovlogging, and also I'm gonna share to you the gears that I use. And this is just a very quick video. I hope you enjoy, and also give a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, so let's get it on. Alright, so here it is, guys. This is the color of the box when I got it from the mall. It's obviously color yellow, so we're gonna check it out outside. So this is actually an EVO helmet, and the actual model of this is this one. So SVX01, plain matte gray, and the size of which is large, as you can see. So indicated here, plain matte gray. So we actually purchased this one for around 3,800 pesos. Well, actually this is not actually exactly 3,800, because when I purchased this, there's a promo of 10%. There's a 10% off. So 10% of 3,800 is that's somewhere 380. So that's, I just bought it somewhere around 3,400 something. So alright, here's what it is. Alright, so it's a Moto Performance helmet. So this is good for long drive, something like that. Alright. Alright guys, so let's open it now. So when we unbox it, actually to be honest, I've already unboxed it before. So for the sake of unboxing, for me to show you what's inside it, what are the inclusion. So it's basically fresh from from the mall, or from where you purchase it. Actually, I just bought it from SM Davao and Ecoland. So this is on the first floor department store area. So I'm going to show you the screenshot, or maybe the picture of the location, so in case you're interested, you can check it out after the quarantine. And I bought this helmet before COVID, so this was a month-year-old, or maybe a month and a half, something like that. Okay,
a few moments later.
so here it is. When we open the box, so we have the actual the helmet. So good thing that from the helmet, from the box, so they have included the bags. There's like the EVO bag, EVO Spectre, as you can see. Alright, so I'll commend EVO for doing this, because it's really important to have a safety for the helmet that we have, para hindi siya magasgas in case saan tayo pumunta when we're out of the vehicle. So we can just put it inside, and of course para safety din siya, madali natin siyang isabit kahit saan. We can just leave it from the vehicle. And okay, so inside the box. Alright, so what's included inside the box? There's the what do you call this? This is an extended spoiler. So let's check the helmet itself kung meron siyang spoiler. Actually, there's a built-in spoiler already. However, they have included an extra one. This is extended one. So I'm gonna show you later the standard spoiler versus this one. And it's also included, there's a clear lens. So may clear lens na siya nakasali. So we'll check inside the helmet itself. Alright, so bubuksan na natin kung ano ang laman. So we'll see. Okay, this is how you open the bag. You just need to slide it down, and okay, so yung upper part niya, as you can see here, meron siyang vent So to open it and close it, ito yung isa-switch mo. So open, close. So it's really important sa helmet na may vent kasi alam mo na pag masyadong mainit sa ilalim, so nagkakaroon ka ng pawis. So good thing na may ihip sa ilalim. And if it's raining naman, then of course you can just close it para hindi mapasokan ng ulan or tubig sa ilalim. And if you're like want the air to get inside, then of course you just need to switch it. Alright, so let's check the back. The back part. Okay, there it is. This is what I'm talking about. This is the spoiler. This is the stock spoiler of this helmet. So let me get the extra one. This is the extra one. Let me try to open this to see the difference. Okay, so now if you can see the difference here. So this is the stock one, is just very short. Now if you are going to replace it with a extended one, it will look like this. So basically para siyang may buntot sa likod. So it's nice to see if you are going to replace it here. So for the tutorial on how to replace it, so I don't have any idea yet kung paano. I haven't seen any tutorial yet, so I know it's kind of hard because you might need to disassemble this whole helmet, so you might need to have access inside. So we're gonna create a separate video for that. And of course, there it is. Ito yung back part. So this is very simple. So you get the ECE SVX, the actual model, and the ECER large, and of course the very important thing here, the ICC sticker. So this complies the standard of LTO or whatever, LTFRB or whatever transportation department here in the Philippines. If your helmet doesn't have this one, pwede kang hulihin. And there you go. This is the actual this is the front side of the helmet. So right now I'm using, or it has the smoke lens, so it's very clear naman inside. So when we open this, okay, you will have access to the inside. Actually dual visor din to, so aside from this one, you can also enable the visor inside sa yung smoke lens in case you will be using the clear lens and sa tingin mo napakasilaw or mataas yung araw, you can just trigger the switch here on the left side of the helmet. So you just need to switch it here, and there it is. The second visor pops out, I mean. And on this case I haven't removed the covering yet, so for the sake of this video, so I'm just gonna remove it. I haven't removed it ever since because I'm actually not using it, because I'm currently using the smoke lens. But for now, I guess it's time to remove it. Divergenized. Okay, there we go. Alright, so yan, if you can see, I can actually put it back here outside. Yan. Or maybe put it outside at the back. Yes. Alright, palagay natin. Alright, here it is. So this is how the helmet looks like in front. So this is actually another vent in front para makapasok din ng hangin. And there's also another vent here on the left and the right side. So if we open this, so we got vents on top, 2 vents close, and we also have 3 vents in front. So here, here, and here. We can turn on. So when we open inside here, so this is what it looks like. So when the visor is on, I mean enabled, so this is how it looks like. So I think this is only useful if you use the clear lens. So it's not good if you use both these lenses unless silaw na gid kayo. And just close it, just switch it off. Alright, it's off. And see what's inside. Alright, let's try to close this. and this is actually inside the helmet. So this is the lock, sliding lock, and pretty much it's very comfortable when I use it. Alright, so I also try to get the extra lens. So here's the extra lens. It's very clear. So in case nilalagay natin yung clear lens, this is how it looks like. Yan, tas yung visor sa ilalim pops it out, and how it looks like. So in my case, I think it's better to use the smoke lens kasi naman maganda siyang tingnan, so dark, and hindi naman masyadong madilim ito. I try to use it even it's already night or hapon na, and it's still very clear. Napakaganda pagkagawa yung lens niya, smoke lens niya, and it's anti-scratch, so it's nice to touch it. Alright, so after this I'm also gonna show you the gears that I'm using, so how I attach the camera and the gears they use to attach when I'm doing a motovlog. Alright.